Please subscribe and you can download this code from description below. Title: Implementing 2 chances for correct quiz answers in Python. Introduction. In this tutorial, we'll explore how to create a simple quiz program in Python that allows users 2 chances to answer each question correctly. We'll use a combination of loops and conditional statements to achieve this functionality. Let's get started. Step 1. Set up the quiz questions. First, let's define a list of quiz questions and their corresponding correct answers. For simplicity, we'll use a dictionary to store the questions and answers. Step 2. Create the quiz logic. Now, let's write the main logic for our quiz. We'll iterate through each question, provide the user with 2 chances to answer correctly, and give feedback based on their responses. Step 3. Run the quiz. Save your Python script and run it. The program will ask each quiz question, allowing the user 2 chances to answer correctly. If the user provides the correct answer within the given attempts, the program will move on to the next question. Otherwise, it will reveal the correct answer. Feel free to customize the quiz_questions dictionary with your own questions and answers to create a personalized quiz. Conclusion. Congratulations! You've successfully implemented a simple quiz program in Python that gives users 2 chances to answer each question correctly. This tutorial provides a foundation that you can expand upon to create more complex quiz applications with additional features and functionalities. ChatGPT